Do you want to get organized and plan your TikTok content ahead of time? Then you need a scheduling app. TikTok was the most downloaded app in 2020. It is fast growing and it has become one of the most important social media platforms for influencers, businesses, and marketers. Then it is more than ever important to nail your content strategy and be ahead of your time scheduling and planning this content. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about best TikTok scheduling app that you can use to nail your content strategy. So without much talking, let's dive into the video. Let's build your business. Are you ready? Let's jump straight into the list. First one is Social Bee. Social Bee is a full-featured social media scheduling tool that is perfect for TikTokers. It is an all-in-one tool that can not only help you schedule TikTok posts in advance, but also track and analyze your content performance on the platform. With Social Bee, you can schedule videos, multiple videos, images, videos plus captions, images plus captions, post with ease. You can also create content categories and queues for your TikTok post to organize your content and ensure that you are posting fresh and engaging content consistently. You can also use the evergreen content feature to recycle and make the most out of your top performing content. This feature allows you to set expiry dates for recurring content. In addition to all of the TikTok specific features, Social Bee can also be used to manage your other social media tasks. You can use it for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google My Business Scheduling, and many more. When it comes to the key features of this tool, it has TikTok scheduling, TikTok analytics, content categories and queues, evergreen content features, social media scheduling and management. When talk about the advantages of using this tool, you can get access to full-featured scheduling tool and you can schedule content for many social media platforms. When it comes to the disadvantages, this does not provide a social inbox. When talking about the pricing of this software, there are three plans: Bootstrap, Accelerate, and Pro. In Bootstrap, you have to pay around $19 per month and you can connect up to 5 social accounts. In Accelerate, you have to pay around $39 per month and you can connect around 10 social accounts. And in the Pro plan, it costs around $79 per month and you can connect up to 25 social accounts. You can get a free trial for all these plans. Then the second tool is one of my favorite, and this is the tool that I am using, Metricool. Metricool is an all-in-one social media management tool that gives you everything you need to analyze, manage, and grow your digital presence in one place. It integrates with TikTok as well as all the other social networks you know and you love: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, YouTube, Pinterest, etc., etc. The core of Metricool is its drag and drop social media content scheduler. It uses an initiative calendar interface on which you can plan and schedule posts across multiple accounts. Other than this scheduling tool of Metricool, I really like the analytic tool of Metricool. It puts all the data you need to organize your social media campaign in your fingertips. It is really easy to manage them and analyze them. Aside from helping you to schedule your organic TikTok content, you can also use Metricool to create and manage your TikTok ad campaigns as well as Google Ads and Facebook ads. When it comes to the key features of Metricool, you can get analytics, calendar, planner, competitor analysis, unified inbox, ads management, comment management, hashtag tracker, reporting, and smart links. When it comes to the advantages of Metricool, it is really easy to use and it is an all-in-one toolkit and it has powerful analytics and it has a TikTok ad management. When it comes to disadvantages, their UI is not really attractive. Sometimes the interface can get a little bit clunky. When talking about the pricing of these plans, there are 6 plans. First one is free. This is totally free and you can connect one brand. And then second one is Pro 5. This is cost around $12 per month and you can connect 5 brands. And Pro 10, you can connect 10 brands, cost around $19 per month. And then Team 15, which cost around $35 per month and you can connect 15 brands. Team 25, you can connect 25 brands, $55 per month. And the Enterprise brand costs around $119 per month. You can connect 15 brands. Then the next TikTok scheduling tool is Crowdfire. Crowdfire is another amazing TikTok scheduling tool that there are some unique features that we haven't seen anywhere else. But unfortunately, Crowdfire does not support TikTok auto post. But instead, you can schedule all your content on the platform and they will send you a notification when it is time to post your content. Once you have connected your account, Crowdfire can send you a notification when it's time to post, which you can tap to be taken to TikTok. Your captions and hashtags are automatically copied to the clipboard, so you can paste them in and post your content with one click. My favorite thing about Crowdfire is the content curation tool. It's the only social media management tool that provides image recommendations and curates shareable image for Instagram. You can just enter some topics you want to cover and Crowdfire will curate relevant articles and images that you can share in your social posts from across the web. It's a huge time saver. When we talk about the features of Crowdfire, there are advanced scheduling, post previews, best time to post, queue meter, analytics, mention and reply management, content curation, and schedule product update. When we talk about the advantages of using this software, it has a good user interface and it provides you content curation and it has some unique features as I mentioned earlier. When it comes to disadvantages, the main purpose of this video, TikTok scheduling, but it does not support TikTok auto post. Instead, they will send you a notification. When it comes to the pricing of this software, it has 4 pricing plans. First one is free. In free account, you can link 3 accounts and then the plus plan which costs around $10 per month. In that plan, you can link around 5 accounts and then the premium plan which costs around $50 per month, you can link around 10 accounts and in the VIP plan which costs around $100 per month, you can link 25 accounts. Then the next tool is Later. Later is a TikTok scheduling tool. Also, it supports many other social media platforms. You can use Later's auto-publish tool to schedule your TikTok post to go live ahead of time. Plus, add hashtags and mentions and allow formats like stitching and duets. Aside from TikTok, auto-publish is also available for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. On top of the core scheduling and publishing tools, Later also lets you moderate, reply, like, pin and hide comments through TikTok conversations. You can use the integrated analytic tools to measure, track and optimize your TikTok performance. And there's also a TikTok link in bio tool that you can use to create your own customizable landing page and send your followers to all your key links. When it comes to the key features of Later, auto-publish for TikTok and other social media platforms, comment moderation, analytics, link in bio, and content curation. When we talk about the advantages of Later, it has a good user interface and it has a good value for your money and it supports a lot of social media platforms. When it comes to disadvantages, it has a steeper learning curve. Sometimes it could be a little bit difficult for beginners to learn all the things in the Later and analytics are a little bit basic. When it comes to the pricing of this software, it has 3 plans. Starter plans which cost around $18 per month. You can schedule up to 30 posts. Then the growth plan which costs around $40 per month. You can schedule up to 150 posts. And then the advanced plan which costs around $80 per month. You can schedule up to unlimited posts. You can get a 14-day free trial for all these pricing plans. Then the next tool is Loomly. Basically, Loomly is a brand and content management tool aimed at marketing teams. It comes complete with an array of scheduling tools that can assist you in managing content for TikTok as well as major social media platforms. When it comes to TikTok, Loomly does not support auto-post TikTok. However, with the help of Loomly reminders and mobile app features, you can manually schedule your TikTok post ready for publications. Like Crowdfire, Loomly will send you a notification to post your content to TikTok. Although this tool doesn't have a ton of TikTok-focused features, it is still a great choice for small businesses and brands that want an all-in-one content and social media management solution. When we talk about the key features of Loomly, it has manual TikTok and Snapchat publishing, automated publishing for Facebook, Instagram, content planning and management tools, Facebook and Instagram ad management tools, notifications and team collaboration tools. When it comes to the advantages of Loomly, it has an easy-to-use calendar with notification and it is great for teams. When it comes to disadvantages, again, it does not support TikTok auto post. Instead, it will send you a notification when it's time to post. When it comes to the pricing of this software, it has 5 pricing plans. The base plan costs around $35 per month and you can connect 10 social accounts. The standard plan costs around $79 per month. You can connect 20 social accounts. The advanced plan costs around $172 per month and you can connect 35 social accounts. The premium plan, which costs costs around $359 per month. You can connect 50 social accounts, and in the enterprise plan, you can customize your pricing. Then the next tool is BrandWatch. BrandWatch is a comprehensive tool that will help you to auto-publish not only TikTok content but also content for other social media platforms. This tool is perfect for social media managers and small agencies, as it has one of the initiative social calendar that you can use to plan and schedule all of your TikTok posts and collaborate with your team. Using this tool, you can assign user roles to ensure that your videos get reviewed and approved by the right team members before they are published. BrandWatch also comes complete with TikTok analytic features that allow you to monitor metrics like video views, average watch time, engagement, and more. In addition to TikTok, BrandWatch can be used to schedule for all the other social media platforms. It also comes with an initiative unified inbox where you can manage all your comments, DMs, and other messages from TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. BrandWatch is a super comprehensive tool that is perfect for social media agencies at scale. When it comes to the key features of this tool, initiative visual content calendar, collaboration features like content pools and user roles, TikTok Insight, unified social inbox, and brand monitoring. When it comes to advantages, this is great for social media teams and it has an initiative content calendar. When it comes to disadvantages, this is a little bit expensive and this is best for the agencies at a scale. When it comes to the pricing of this software, their pricing plans are a little bit comprehensive and a little bit tricky. You can book a meeting with them to find the best solution, best plan for you. Other than that, for small businesses, they have a plan called Essential, which costs around $108 per month. As I told, this can be a little bit expensive for beginners. Using that plan, you can schedule content, engage with customers, and measure the impact. And this plan is recommended for 1 to 2 users. So those are the best TikTok scheduling tools out there in the market. I hope that this video helped you to find the best solution for your need. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.